Hello, my wonderful people. Greetings from Family Chef to you. Today I'm taking you back home to Africa. Local food. Look at that. I have a toko powder. Okay, we are going to make Fula. So I put my about 3 tablespoons of ginger goes in the blender. Where you Hwentia na ni say na tia. So called blender anymore. With me cloves, pepper, and also a trick a sienna back home. That's when so come blend any powder pepper and a teaspoon back of peps. Yapa and sana is through with sanso. Papa so the good ma blending in. Okay, our ingredients is smooth. Let's see how we put it together. We have our cocoa powder here, right? Okay, we are going to sieve the ingredients: the peppers, the ginger, the cloves, grain of celery. The pacho we said there, minim we said. Obi onim we said bia what the other country. Okay, is it tiger nut? Is it the one called tiger nut? All right. You can see I sieve all this. Please don't throw this out. You can use it to season your meat or fish and anything. I'm going to mix it like you are doing a banku paste. After that, we are going to cover it and put it aside somewhere. Don't put it on the refrigerator. Put it aside somewhere to ferment for 2 days. It be still for 2 days. I'm not fermented. Fine. Na fi ya share the air baby. So ya toko na na yegusu kan se benku no. Be man nchen kakra. So ya toko na form ya se benku no. Chombi di so be gu asie. Na makata so ama ehu be ye 10 to 15 minutes. The medu echi no. Say na obe hu toko powder. Our Fula is cool off completely. You are going to form it. All you do is just take your Fula, any size. You see how it looks? Form it round like that. And you have your millet powder here. Just drag it like that. And you get your Fula. See how it looks? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do all of them. You are in Africa now. Congratulations, you make yourself Fula. Let's eat it. Let's try and mash it. Put the milk and anything we want and eat. I'm lactose, so my Fula, I'm mashing it with almond milk. You can use any milk, your choice. Okay, I have my nuts here, peanuts. Let me add a little sugar. Please, you can use honey. Let's add a little milk. Our nut is doing good here. Let's try it. Frankatia make a crank count. I mean, the enemy penkatia. How many minutes that I started doing this Fula? You can leave this on the refrigerator for 3 days, but this is going to the freezer. You can stay up to a month or 2 months, 3 months. It's up to you. Family Chef, this is the end of my Fula. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for me. Congratulations, you make yourself Fula. Don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Thank you. Have a good day.